Welcome back to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. And new for sale on our website is this 1973 Plymouth Cuda 446 pack. This is a neat car. We just got done checking out and driving a 72 this morning with a Hemi in it and a dual quad Hemi. This one's the 446 pack version.
So you were a little scared on the Hemi. Are you a little nervous about this one?
I haven't been on a test drive with you for 4 or 5 days. I forgot how exciting they are. But as I said, Coyote Classics Green, Iowa, we can help with shipping, financing. If you like the car, give us a call at 641-816-3145 and we can make it yours.
Another Cuda with air. So both of these have huge motors, one a Hemi, one 446 pack, and both have working air conditioning. Pretty cool. No power steering, no power brakes, but has air. Pretty much just all muscle, 4-speed.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Previous owner just got done spending what, over $20,000 on the drivetrain for this car.
Yep.
So fresh, well built, and just wicked. And you can tell, you know, with the money spent, it looks fantastic under the hood too. I mean, everything just looks nice and right.
Yeah, he spent a lot of money on the drivetrain with that 446 pack, Pro Max heads, aluminum heads. You know, you got nice dual exhaust on it, air conditioning. None of that stuff's cheap. You know, all the lines. Just did a nice job. The only thing that could have been done better if you would have spent just a little more time on the paint prep. You know what I mean? That's why the car's priced where it's at. It's a really great looking car. We just put on brand new wheels and tires. It's got an awesome stance. But if you look right on top of some things, you're just going to notice just a few little issues. And we'll do our very best. Is that okay if we just you do it?
Yeah, of course.
So if we go around here, you can see it was a vinyl top car, right? So with that, they could have did a little better job. There's a dimple here and a dimple here. You know what I mean? Just with some of the sanding.
Just little stuff real close. Now, but if you look up and down the sides, I mean, it still fits well. Still really nice straight car.
Yeah.
But just in some of like you said, the prep work in the paint before the finish.
Yeah, it was all sanded down properly. It just could have been just a little nicer.
Yep. Still a car you can take to your local car show, be proud of. Yeah. But the paint's not perfect.
Good way to put it, Dee. Where did we get all this dust all of a sudden?
It's well, it's been inside for 4 or 5 days waiting to do this video.
Yeah.
But
awesome. So underneath the hood does look very nice. Again, you know, if you want to pick on some little things, you can just tell it's not perfect, but nice and covered well.
Hood gap's nice.
I can get that for you.
Yeah, thanks. I love the Cuda hoods. It's not often that we have one, let alone two at the same time, or videoing two on the same day.
And this is original Cuda. This is a real deal BS code Cuda, factory 340 4-speed car.
Nice.
So, you know, it's pretty correct except for the 440.
Grill looks good. Bumper looks like that was replaced at the time of restoration. It's got good chrome on it.
He did go ahead and put disc brakes on the front as well.
There's a tiny little...
Here's some other little stuff. I mean, like I said, we're not going to be able to point it all out right here. You see that little tiny little crap in the paint?
Yep.
Just some little tiny little dimples. You know what I mean?
Yep. And a lot of you have to be real close to see, but also we want to make sure you know, because that's just the difference between a local car show quality like this and a show winning kind of trailer queen type car.
Back of the hood lines up good.
Top of fender door.
Couple little chips right here, and the door fit is all when they were fitting it.
Just a little bit of solvent pop there. Bottom of the door fits good. I love the Cuda rocker molding, you know.
Yeah,
the Mustang, stuff like that, a lot of it's just kind of bland, chrome, where this is just almost looks like it adds horsepower.
I think it does. On this sail, we talked about, I had a couple dimples in the shade here. I don't see anything wrong here. And the roof is in nice shape. Really nice solid roof, even being a vinyl top car. You know what I mean? All nice and solid here. He did a great job here, not letting that in and leaving that alone.
Little sanding marks there.
Yeah, that's the kind of stuff that's in it. Sanding marks, crap like that.
But quarters are straight, doors straight.
Bottom of the door is really nice. Go under our website also, coyoteclassics.com. Make sure you check out the undercarriage photographs of it as well. New rubbers, new felts, all that kind of stuff was done when he painted it. Doors were taken off, all that kind of thing. just a difference in quality between this one and the Hemi car. You know, that's
Yeah.
the difference on the paint.
Still definitely solid car. Corners, doors look good. Top of the dash looks nice. Seats were recovered.
Yeah, I love the pistol grip. I can help you.
Oh, yeah.
I love the pistol grip shifter.
Oh yeah,
as well.
this one's a 4-speed car too. The other one's an
is.
automatic.
Yep. It's got seat belts in the front. Don't know if the seat belts are in the back or not, if they're tucked in. The back seat's nice. Headliner has some wrinkles as well. I think that could be definitely stretched out. I don't have any interior people really that are good with headliners, but I think that could definitely be stretched. Find the right guy.
It's a new headliner, just needs to be tightened up.
Yep. Seats are all been redone.
Here, want to take that? I'll grab the keys for the trunk.
Sure. I like the dual exhaust. I mean, it sounds good, looks good. Back bumper lines up awesome on the driver's side. Passenger side could be tightened down a little more here is all. It's got the nice chrome around that. Taillight lenses are good. Rear bumper's been replaced.
Just gotta
I
find
like the
right.
antenna back here too. It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Just gives it a little different look, you know. You find the right key?
Got the right key. I always gotta get the right angle. There we go.
All right. Same thing as the bottom of the hood. Bottom of the trunk's all jammed and stuff properly as well, but you can just see some little crap in it. You know what I mean? Just, I don't know, a guy could have stripped all this, right? And then just put a little filler over the pits.
Yep.
You know, it just shows the pits is all. It's got a spare and everything in there. Carpet's in good, it's got a carpet. Driver's side, pretty straight as well. The bottom of the door tucked in a little bit on the driver's side, the bottom, but on the top side it lines up great. It's got the 446 pack, kind of a custom, for 1973, obviously a custom stripe package, which looks really nice. It's got a little crack right here in the paint. Over the wheel well looks good. It's got wheel well trim in it. Right here's what I'm talking about. It's just had just a little bit of work probably in that quarter when they did that. The door just sticks in just a little bit there. Again, we're just being as transparent as we can on a really cool car.
Yeah.
You know. Top of the door, top of the quarter is good. Nice gap from top to bottom here. No bubbles or blisters anywhere in the lower fender or door we can see. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Got the original, there again, the last 72 was February of 72. This is February of 73. Corner of the door is untouched, very nice. Jam's good, rubbers are good, felts are good. Seat covers are all new, no wear there. Let's drive it, D.
Let's do it.
Sits nice. The other cool thing about these Cudas is you sit in like a cockpit of an airplane a little bit. That's one thing I like. This pistol grip shifter is very nice. It looks like they replaced it. It's brand new.
Horn works.
Yep. I want to mention a few things. The horn and both tachometers.
Nice.
We got two tachs.
You got a digital one there.
Yep. And then the app. No, this is actually a fuel.
what is that?
Sorry,
Oh,
this
that's
is
fuel,
fuel
okay.
ratio, and that works. But you got the factory tach, and then you got a performance tach here.
Nice.
This one's a little quicker, you know, I suppose if you're going to shift. Oil pressure at an idle is 70 pounds, goes over 85. Gas gauge works. Alternator gauge in the dash works. Clock does not work. I'm guessing it's probably a 68,000 mile car. It could be, but that's what's on the odometer anyway, 68,328, but doesn't really matter. All the paint and body and interior and drivetrain's all been redone.
Did we do the wipers ready?
No. Nope, they work. Let's see if they park. Yeah, park correctly. Here's your AC. And that works. We charged it. Nice, huh? Like you said, AC on it.
Not only do we have two Cudas, we have two with AC.
I know. I think I already said that.
Oh, probably did. It's Monday morning.
I've never drove this one yet, so we're just gonna warm it up to the stop sign here. With these dual quads, it might take a little more warming up. We warmed it up some, but as far as performance-wise, we might have to warm it up a little more. Speedometer works. Here's your brakes, absolutely perfect. No power brakes, but this one with this disc,
Yeah.
Stops even better than the 4-wheel discs on the Cuda.
Yeah.
Hemi.
Nice.
Just a nice pedal. Again, I don't think our performance is there yet, D.
Until we get it warmed up.
But we're gonna try. I'll try it a little bit, but I think we need to. It's gonna spit a little bit until we warm it up. I just wanted to make sure I was in second. I was. This car's awesome though.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll try her again. We'll go down the road, little turn her around.
Yeah.
I had this thing lightly tuned. Pat took it out. He said it was just absolutely wicked. But they ended up getting it warmed up good.
Good.
I got it going down the road though. The steering box and stuff, you can tell all that must be all new.
Yeah.
Because it is super responsive on the steering.
Yeah, like I said, he spent a lot of money doing her.
There's your brakes, no pull left or right. All right, now we're starting to warm up. We're at 150.
Got this truck coming on here.
Idle's about 1,000. I'm gonna go. He's gonna turn here and.
All right, now she's warmed up.
We'll see what it does. It's awesome, D.
And it handles really nice too.
It's super tight.
Yeah.
The only thing is that power valve, you know, just it needs to be warmed a little more, I think. Just that little hesitation there. Speedometer works great, and both packs seem very accurate.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a sweet car. Check it out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.